The Sulak Canyon, located in Dagestan, is a breathtaking natural wonder offering a unique and impressive landscape. Sulak Canyon, one of the largest canyons on the planet, attracts tourists from all over the world seeking an unforgettable travel experience. The beauty of the Sulak Canyon lies in its impressive cliffs, deep gorges and stunning views. The canyon stretches for about 53 kilometers and is cut through by the mighty Sulak River. Its rugged terrain and diverse flora and fauna make it a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. Travelers who have visited the Sulak Canyon often marvel at its beauty and tranquility. The untouched nature of this place gives a sense of tranquility that is hard to find anywhere else. Sulak Canyon offers a unique travel experience for those seeking adventure and natural beauty. Its spectacular scenery combined with various outdoor activities make it a must-visit destination for anyone who wants to explore Dagestan.